Okay, so this is a our online compiler. So in this is our main function. Okay, first of all, how to create a node. So this is our node. This is our node. A node having information, a node having link, a node having values. Okay, a node having total two fields. Consider how to create it first. Struct node. The structures I'm using. This is structure syntax. And what is the first field name? Information. According to our diagram, I'm designing information. Int information is nothing but integer value. Integer value. Int information is nothing but integer value. Okay. Sir, why you take an information? You can take any other also, like data, like value, like anything you can take. What I am taking, what here information I am taking. So what is the type of it? Integer. And
Teacher.
next what I am taken link. Link is
Okay.
nothing but what here link what it will store is if you have here like this node, if you have one more, so it will connect this node, it will connect this node to here. Suppose this is one more node, suppose you are having the address for this is consider 2000, the address for this
2000.
consider 2000. Suppose I want to add this node to the here. Okay, link field wherever link is there, that is we can call it as what? Address. So
Ad,
what I want to
ad,
tell is, there are two fields in this, there are two fields here. The first field I'm calling it as, information. Second field I'm calling it as what? Link. So this is a integer value, this is a address. This address will point to whatever the address you are storing here. So this address will points to here. Whatever the address you are storing here, this address will points to here. So like that, every node is connected to the next node. Every node connected to the next node. Okay. Sir, one more thing. Sir, why you take an integer? No problem. You can take float also. You can take character also. So what I'm taking now? Integer I'm taking. It is clear? Now link is a pointer variable. Pointer variable is nothing but you know very well. We should mention pointer.
point.
We should mention pointer. So pointer is okay. It is a pointer. Okay, sir. Link is nothing but pointer. So here you are storing some address. Here you are storing some address. Which address you are storing again? Node address only itself. Again you are storing what here also. If you want to store something 3000, so this also becomes what? 3000. Link address you are storing here. Link in the link you are storing the next node information in the link. So where I am putting red mark here, this is a red mark. So here I am storing the address of the next node address you are storing, node
Okay,
address you are
sir.
storing. So here also node address you are storing. Node is nothing but this node address you are storing here. Okay, node address you are storing, node address you are storing. It means what? What is the type of it? What is the type of it? Node. Clear? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is clear, everyone? Is there any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Yeah, that is clear. Okay. So we can take float, we can take any other variable name, but here you should understand that here we will store some address. It is a pointer variable. Here we are storing address. That address should be, whatever the address you are storing, that address should be of type what? Node. Node type.
Node.
Okay. Again, node type is nothing but what? That should be having compulsory node information only, whatever the address you are storing. Okay, so let us discuss again. Okay, this is okay. Done, successfully done here. Okay, consider now coming to here. I am taking one function. See, printf enter your choice. Suppose I am taking choice like integer variable. I am taking into ch
Into CH.
scanf percentage d comma address of ch I am taking, address of ch I am taking, address of ch I am taking. Okay, ch. So here I'm going to enter one value. Okay, and here I'm writing on switch case. Switch
Switch
case.
case.
Switch case is nothing but you know very well. In this switch case, I'm
Yes.
passing this variable. ch variable. So what you are passing? What you are passing? For example, I am writing my operations are only two. One for creation,
One for creation.
next slash t, two for deletion,
Deletion.
two for deletion. ఓకే, రెండే ఆపరేషన్స్ కదా సార్, డెలిషన్ కాదు, ట్రావెర్స్. మనం మళ్ళీ ఈ కోడ్ని మనం తర్వాత ఏం చేద్దామంటే దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేద్దాం. విల్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ ఇట్ ద కోడ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ విల్ వర్క్ విత్ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ద అవుట్పుట్ వాట్ యు విల్ గెట్? creation, traverse. In that you choose any one, enter your choice. Suppose if I enter 1, so ch will be mapped to what? 1. What is mean by 1? Case 1 will be executed. Okay, break. Or else where it will go? Case 2 will be executed, break. Or else where it will go is case 3. In case 3, what I am writing? Exit of 0 I am writing. I will tell you what is the use of exit of 0. Okay, so now here what is the case 1? When case 1, suppose here I am entering 1 is nothing but what? Creation.
Yes, sir.
Just create a function, create, semicolon. Now when I press enter, what you should do? Traverse function. I'm calling Rohit, I'm calling Sanjana, I'm calling some Ranjit. Okay, I'm
Sir,
calling some
traverse,
Arjun. Traverse. Okay, so here very simple, very simple. Okay, so actually you should know, before going to this compulsory, you should know one function. About functions you should know. Okay, so ikkada enti anante case 1 when you are executing, suppose here I entered 1, right? 1 means nothing but what it is, what is the code you written here? Create is nothing but it is a calling function. It means it is calling the function called create, void create.
void create.
And one more function what you created above?
Traverse.
One more function, what is that? Void traverse. Clear? అక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారో ఇక్కడ అదే చేయాలి, వర్క్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ హియర్, వాట్ యు ఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్, this create function, I will tell you very simple. When this line is executed, automatically the control will comes from line number 15 to line number, for example ఇక్కడ నేను రాస్తున్నాను printf hi అని రాస్తున్నాను. చూడండి ఏం లేదు, కోడ్ సింపుల్ ఇలా రాసాను. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ printf, ఏం రాస్తాను చూడండి, హలో.
Hi, hello.
Okay, so create, when you call create function, what is coming? Hi. When you're calling traverse function, what it is called, what is displaying?
Hello.
Okay, and one more I'm writing here slash t. Slash t is nothing but slash t. I'm writing 3 for exit. 3 for exit. So ఇది మన వర్క్ చేయాలి. So you have to do this process. Do. So where, how I am writing C code? After pressing here, just write down here do. Open braces. Okay, open braces. ఎనీథింగ్ ఫర్ లూప్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, మీరు ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫిక్స్డ్, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, మీరు ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి. డూ లూప్ ఓపెన్. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు రాసిన కోడ్ ఇదంతా మనం, నేను ఎలా రాస్తున్నా చూడండి, నేను డైరెక్ట్గా మీకు కోడ్ చెప్పట్లేదు, ఎలా స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎలా రాస్తున్నాను, ఇలా మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే. బ్రేక్ కేస్ 3. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు అయిపోయింది. సో ఇది స్విచ్ కేస్ కోడ్, ఇక్కడ వరకు అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది డూ వైల్. డూ వైల్ అంటే ఏంటి? What is meant by do while? Compulsory, it should having condition. Here I am writing 1 semicolon. What it means? The condition is always true.
Always true.
Always true means whatever where it is started, these lines from here to here, these all the lines are executed continuously. Continuously, these are all executes. Okay, there is no stop. When it will stop is when you write when you put option called 3. 3 is nothing but what? Case 3.
Exit.
What you written? Exit of 0.
Exit
What
0.
is the use of exit of 0 is it will stop your execution of the code.
Execution of okay,
So
sir.
let us execute this code. Okay, is there any mistakes in this? So let us create void create. I'm going to copy here. I'm pasting here semicolon. So in this code, I will tell you void traverse semicolon. So functions, it is functions. Functions, in order to declare functions, you should write 3 syntaxes: function declaration, function call, function definition. One more: function declaration, function call, function definition. Let us execute this code.
Comparison failed doing this.
Where error? Yes, semicolon, one error. Yeah, here you should represent what? Struct node into ch. Here semicolon is missed. Okay, do main struct node void traverse. That's it. Yeah, okay.
Answer first
See,
creation.
okay. For exit of 0, in order to avoid the warning of exit of 0, you should write here hash include std_lib.h. So this exit of 0 will not give any warning. And here you should mention in structure type. There are 2 types of structure declarations: type df, and one more is a structure by using structure keyword. So when you are using structure keyword means before this compulsory you have to use type df, sorry, structure keyword. And if you want to declare any information, okay, so like this structure, like this you should declare. If I want to declare any other variable, compulsory you should write what? Structure variables in order to represent structure
Okay, sir.
node some root, like this you have to declare. Okay, now we'll execute this code. Okay, so it is asking one. I'm entering the choice 1. When I'm pressing 1, what it should display? Hi, it is displaying.
Hi.
Again 3 are executing. Again 2 I'm pressing. What is displaying? Hello.
Hello.
Again I'm pressing 1 create. Mala hi 200 traverse. Mali hello. So it will goes continuously. Are getting how it is executing? So when you are pressing enter 3 only, it will terminate the loop. Okay.
3. Okay,
So
sir.
why I'm telling this is you have to understand that from line number 20 line to line number 31 line it is coming and it is executing, and line number 22 to line number it is going where? 36 to 39. Are you getting everyone? Case 1 is nothing but create is nothing but what? This code you should execute. 2 is nothing but traverse. This code you have to execute. So in this code I'm given this code. Now I'm deleting this code. Now I am deleting this code. So in this, I have to write some logic to create a single linked list. To create a single linked list, SLL, single linked list,
SLN.
single linked list. So like this, I should create a single linked list. Like this, I should create now. So here one diagram is there, or else I will take this diagram. See this diagram I'm taking. Like this, I have to create. See, like this, I have to create. So how to create it? How to create it? Let us see. Okay. First of all, we'll see about how to create a first node. First node. Okay. Let us see. Very simple here. Very simple. Where is my code? This is not required. Closing it. Minimize. Okay. This is also not. Now, create function. In create function, we should take first of all temporary node. Struct node pointer temp. So why you taken this? I will tell you. Okay. Later we require more variables also. Next, structure. So what it means? Temp అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి everyone. So whatever I am written here to understand, temp is a pointer variable. Temp is a pointer variable. Pointer temp, it is not pointer temp. It should be like this. I told you 2 ways we can write. This is correct. This is also correct. But you should read like this. You should read like this.
Okay.
Temp is a pointer variable. So this pointer variable whatever the address is allocated to this, it will points to node. Okay. Now, so second step, what I'm writing here, it is I'm taking int element printf enter element semicolon scanf percentage d comma address of element. Okay, so like this element is nothing but, for example, element equals to 10, I enter. So this 10 I want to store, I want to create like this, I want to store. Okay, so what is the steps we written? Now I am telling diagrammatically, please listen carefully. Okay, now
Okay,
we'll
sir.
see about these 3 lines, 33, 34, 35, 36. 3 lines, 4 lines, we'll see. What is mean by 34 line is just one variable is created, the variable called, what's the variable name? Element,
LAM.
element, element.
Element.
So like this one element is created. Okay. Like this one element is created. Okay, element. Okay. So element is nothing but it should be like this. Element equal to how much by entered? 10. Right? Next,
10.
one more variable what you created here. One more variable what you created. What's the variable name? Temp. ఏం క్రియేట్ చేశారు మీరు? Temp.
Temp.
Initially it holds address. That's it. It is a variable. It is a pointer variable. Temp is a
That
pointer
also
variable.
address of element.
Temp is a pointer variable. It stores the address of other element. It stores in this, it will store the address of other element, and it also consists its own address. Try to understand. Temporary variable having, temporary variable will store some address. Temporary variable having itself is one address. That is also one point.
Okay,
Every
address.
variable, it is a variable or it is a pointer variable. It stores a value or it stores a pointer variable, and it's having addresses. So that is the meaning of
Okay,
this code. 36 line. Temp is a variable, pointer variable. It stores some address. Initially, in this, the address should be what here? Null. Nothing is
null.
there means null. Temp is, it is stored null. Element equals to 10. Now, what I'm taking here, one step I'm writing here. The step is here temp. This point is very important.
Point.
So till now, no node is created. No node is
Yes, sir.
created. Just a temporary variable only created. Now what I'm doing, temp equals to malloc. Malloc is nothing but, malloc is nothing but it will it creates a memory. It will calculate the memory. Malloc n into size of node. So what I
Size
written
of
here?
node.
Size of, suppose if I write, if I write here size of int, only integer size. If I write here size of node, so what is size of node? We'll go to the size of node, not n into, simply malloc, just malloc of size of node. That's it. Okay, malloc of size of node. Okay. See, what is the node here?
Sir, size of struct node, I think so.
Yeah, struct node. We'll write. Okay, struct node. The struct space node we should write. Okay, what node having? What node having?
Node.
If you observe node having, what is the node having? Information, and
And
one more is what?
info.
Link.
Link.
Two fields it is having. Two fields it is having. So now these two fields. So whenever I am written here size of struct, size of node, it will work nani, because it is global. Na? So we'll see. Later we'll see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like if it is not work, we'll do it. Okay. Struct node. Okay. Okay. Here, this is the, here the memory will calculate. What node having? Two fields it have. One is the information it is having, one is the link is having. Now these two fields, for this consider 2 bytes. Consider for this 2 bytes. So total how many bytes total? 4 bytes of memory will be allocated to the which variable? Temp variable.
Tempo.
It
Okay,
means,
sir.
it means now, so these are temp variable, right? Now this
Ah, sir.
particular diagram will change it to now like this. What is your address?
Address 1000.
Actually, how it will divide is, I am telling very clear. How it will divide is, the first address, the first field is what? Two fields kada, the temporary variable cousin and manaki, ఇది temp. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి
Temp.
మనకి info,
Info link.
info, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి info, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి link మనకి. 1 second. ఇక్కడ info, what's the time? Info, and one more is what here? Link. ఇలా క్రియేట్ అయింది మనకి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్, సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ అడ్రస్ ఏంటి మనకి 1000. 1 సెకండ్, ఇది అంటే ఎలా క్రియేట్ అవుతుందో చూపిస్తున్నాను క్లియర్ గా. కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయండి. 1000 to
1000 to
ఇక్కడ వరకు 2 bytes. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి
2
ఏమవుతుంది
bytes.
రిమైనింగ్ 1002 to ఎంత 1000.
1000.
So it should create like this. It should create like this. The malloc function working like this.
4
Malloc
byte
function
memory,
will
2 to
work
each.
like this. Okay, so it will work like that. So here, this will, the whatever the 4 bytes of information is there, now successfully allocated to which variable now? Temporary variable. Now the structure should be like this. Okay, so please join again after 5 minutes. After 5
sir.
minutes. The class is going to end in 1 minute. This is a Zoom meeting now. Okay, please join after 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Same link.
Okay.
Same link.